90 productivity tips in under 10 minutes. Can he do it? Can I actually do it, or will I die trying? And if I do, that'll get caught on this YouTube video as well, which if anything goes viral, it's having a heart attack on YouTube. Intro.
Hi, I'm Dan Henry. I used to deliver pizza and sell water bottles to pay my rent. Then I discovered entrepreneurship and grew a $20 million online business. Subscribe to my channel and I'll show you how.
All right, so you wanna be more productive, and I wanna try to make a viral YouTube video. So let's work together. In this video, I am going to share with you 90 productivity tips in under 10 minutes, or at least I'm gonna try. Each one will be super quick, fast, and to the point. If you like any of these tips and you would like me to expand on them in a solo video going deeper on that tip, let me know in the comments which ones, and I will be happy to do videos on them. Before we get started, I will just say that focusing on being more productive has been huge for me. It's allowed me to build several multi-million-dollar companies, learn how to be an investor, a speaker, an author, all in a very short amount of time. In fact, just 4 short years, I was able to accomplish all that. And the main reason was because I decided to master, or at least become a student of productivity. And so I hope these 90 tips will inspire you to use even just a few of them to become more productive and achieve your goals faster. All right, with that said, 10 minutes on the clock, good sir, and let's begin. Wear headphones. People tend to not bother other people when they're wearing headphones. Even if you're not listening to something, it will discourage others from bothering you. Use the 2-minute rule. If you come across a task that takes 2 minutes or less to do, don't write it down, don't plan it, just do it. It'll take just as much time to write it down as it will to do it, so just do it. Set realistic goals. When you set yourself up for an unrealistic or unattainable goal, you're simply setting yourself up for failure, so set yourself up for realistic goals so you can actually get them done. Do not multitask. Multitasking is a lie. Research shows that it actually decreases productivity, and if you do one thing at a time, you'll get things done 40% faster. Break chores into chunks. Instead of saying, I'm going to get the house clean today, say, I'm going to spend 45 minutes cleaning the kitchen. Break it into chunks. Be intentional with your time. Eat real food. It's easy to get fast food, but it makes you feel bad. If you feel good, you can get more done, so eat real food. Tackle the mess. Declutter your workspace, make it clean. If it's messy, you won't be as productive. You won't be able to concentrate. Create a mini crisis. When you have a lot to do, it's easier to get things done if you think you're on a time limit, so give yourself less time than you actually have and you'll end up getting it done quicker. Listen to lyric-free music. Music can be motivated, but if it has lyrics, it can distract you, so make sure it is instrumental only. Choose tomorrow's outfit today. Plan your outfit the day before so you don't have to spend time deciding what to wear, or do what I do and just wear the same thing every day. Use the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 10-minute break. This hack is great if you have trouble focusing, you'll get more done. This is an easy way to get tasks accomplished. Limit your list. Try to put no more than 5 things on your to-do list. You can always add more later, but when you put too much at one time, you get overwhelmed, and then you can't get things done. Make a wins list. As well as a to-do list, make a wins list so that as you get things done, you can encourage yourself, put them on there, and that'll encourage you to get your to-do list knocked out. Capture distracting thoughts. When distracting thoughts come into your mind and you write them down, it's easier to actually get them to go away and not distract you. Count down from 5. When you're sitting around and trying to start a task and you're procrastinating, count down from 5 and then blast off into that task. Write down tasks. When you think of something you need to do, if you forget it, you're gonna be even more stressed out later, so write it down each time. Race against time. When you time yourself, even mundane tasks can become fun. Make it a game. You'll be excited to get the task done before the timer goes off. Reward yourself. Even if it's as simple as getting a cup of coffee or tea, reward yourself when you get something done. It'll give you the motivation to keep getting things done. Out of sight, out of mind. Take your phone, put it out of sight, out of mind, so that it doesn't distract you. Define distraction time. Make time to be distracted. When you work all day and you don't engage in distractions, you feel meh. So instead, reward yourself with some distraction time so that you don't feel exhausted. Turn up the heat! Studies show that when you're cold, you're less productive. When you're warm, you're usually happier and more productive. Do a 15-minute review. Take 15 minutes a day to cover what you did yesterday, what you plan to do today, and what you plan to do tomorrow. It feels great to reflect on progress and decide what to do next. Work outside the 9 to 5. Don't worry about working strictly 9 to 5. Everyone has a time of day when they feel most productive. You define yours, and that's the time you work. Get away from white. Try to avoid white walls because research suggests that white decreases productivity. Get around some splashed up color walls, orange, red, green, and that'll help you increase productivity. Surround yourself with blue. Studies show that blue walls increase concentration, provide a calming effect, and allow you to focus easier. Soak up the sun. When you get better sleep, you get more done. Sunlight helps you increase your melatonin levels and get more sleep. When you get better sleep, you get more done. Sunlight helps you get better sleep by increasing your melatonin levels. Doodle. Doodling while listening to a conversation can actually help you retain that information better. It unlocks different parts of your brain to help you think more creatively. Grab that pen again and take notes. Jot down notes so you can review them later and not have to be distracted with them now. Turn off your phone. Make it hard for people to contact you. When you switch off your phone for just a couple of hours, you'll realize how easy it is to get things done. Avoid visual distractions. Go someplace that is well lit without a lot of flashing lights. Do not attempt to work in crowded spaces that are full of distractions. Procrastinate productively. When you inevitably procrastinate, at least do it by doing something useful. Use action words. When writing down tasks, start each task with a verb. Make sure that everything on your to-do list are all actionable instructions. For example, instead of writing trash, write take out the trash. Set 90-day goals. It's fine to have yearly goals, but 90-day goals can be measured faster. And you never know what'll happen within a year. When you get to your goals faster, you'll enjoy a sense of accomplishment faster and you'll get more done. Take a personal day. Take one day out of each month to get all your personal little errands done and off your plate. Personal to-do list? Done. Use your calendar. When you just use your calendar for meetings or appointments, you're missing out. Use it to help you accomplish tasks and also plan times for projects. Do hard things first. Do the most important or hardest thing before you start checking emails and taking calls. This will help you look at the rest of your day with a sense of excitement and not dread. Destroy distractions. When you're in the zone, the worst thing to do is get distracted by social media or a phone call. Instead, put your phone in airplane mode and get crack-a-lack-a-lack-a-lackin'. Run from the rabbit hole. Set specific times for you to be on social media and don't get on otherwise. Your productivity will go through the roof. He's on fire. Just start. Even if you don't know where to begin, just start something, anything. That'll move you out of procrastination and into productivity. Plan for spontaneity. When you cram your schedule and leave no room for the unexpected, you take the joy out of life. Leave time for spontaneity. Leave room for surprises. Go outside. Antsy, go outside. Take a minute and just walk outside. Antsy, go outside. If you can't get anything done, just take a minute and go outside. It'll make you feel calm and reset your space. Change your scenery. When you're working for hours on end, you can get bored. Switch it up. A simple change of scenery or working in a different room can boost your productivity and get you back in the zone. Co-work with a friend. Working alongside someone else sometimes can be more productive than working alone. Don't talk to each other, but feed off each other's energy and let each other motivate you to get things done. Time block. When you have a lot of work to do, take 30 minutes to focus on one task and take 30 minutes to relax. Plan for Monday on a Friday night. Before you go to bed, right before the weekend, plan out your Monday, and that way Monday will feel less stressful. Work in natural light. Artificial light and dark rooms can clutter your mind and make you less productive, so try to sit near a window or get as much natural light as you can when you can. Make it fun. Remember when your mom used to make it a game to clean up your toys? Do the same thing. Take your tasks and try to gamify them so that you actually have fun when getting things done. Turn off the TV. This may seem obvious, but TV takes a lot of brain space. Even if it's on in the background, turn it off so that you can fully focus on the task at hand. 90-minute magic. Study shows that 90-minute blocks are optimal for creativity and productivity. So every 90 minutes, at least take a break. Encourage yourself. Write down encouraging notes and stop telling yourself that you're going to fail or that you're never going to get this done. The more you encourage yourself, the more you'll get done. The more you discourage yourself, the less you'll get done. Use the 10 + 2 × 5 rule. If you're really overwhelmed, then every 10 minutes you get something done, take a short 2-minute break. Do this 5 times and you'll be surprised how much you get accomplished. Record your process. Record what you did for the week, and when you're finished, look back through it. You will feel more productive and you will see actually how long projects really take. Replace coffee with gum. Stop drinking so much coffee you can't function. Coffee gives you energy, but it also takes it away. The next time you're tempted to get a third cup of coffee, grab chewing gum instead. Throwback every day. Look at a picture of yourself when you were little every day and ask yourself, would little me be proud of big me? If the answer is no, get to work! Use an alarm clock. Stop using your phone when you wake up. An alarm clock just wakes you up. A phone gets you distracted with looking at all your social media notifications. Oh my God! Stop using it. Take small breaks. Never take huge long breaks. Take small ones just to replenish your energy so you can get more done without slacking off. Exercise before work. Exercising before work raises your activity level, increases your memory and cognition, and allows you to get more done. Make your bed. When you start your day out by making your bed, you already have accomplished one task and encourage you to accomplish the rest. Be on time. When your day is all planned out, if you're late for just one thing, it snowballs into the rest of the day, so try to be on time for the very first thing and everything else after that for the rest of the day. Group similar tasks. Group related things together in one spot on your to-do list. For instance, send all your invoices in one spot in one day and then do something else for the rest. For instance, do all your paperwork at one time, don't break it up into various parts of the day. Get rid of Netflix. Don't binge watch TV, instead schedule some time to watch TV, a little bit per day, and then focus the rest on getting things done. But still keep time to chill. Find your time. People get things done at different times. Find the time of the day where you get the most done and schedule the most important tasks during that time. Plan for surprises. Don't cram your day so full that you don't have time for the little surprise from your mother, your brother, your uncle, your cousin, or your friend Jeremy. I don't know who Jeremy is, but if he has a surprise for you, enjoy life. Take it. Hang a sign. Hang a do not disturb sign on your door while you're working. This indicates you're focused and it'll help people steer clear when you want to get things done. So tell Jeremy to off. Chew more gum. Chewing gum actually increases blood flow, which increases more oxygen, which increases concentration. Make a stop doing list. As well as a to-do list, have a stop doing list. This will help you remember to stop doing things that aren't important and waste time. Use sticky notes. Everyone has sticky notes. Make sure not to clutter your desk or your computer with them, but do utilize them to plan out certain parts of projects and recall things that you need to get done later. Sticky notes are great visual reminders to help you keep on track and plan out a project. Use them in a temporary space, but don't clutter your desk and your computer with them each and every day. Use them sparingly. Try aromatherapy. Try using citrus scents such as lemon or grapefruit in your workspace. This will help you stay calm and more focused. Drink green tea. Replace coffee with green tea when you can. Green tea doesn't have as much caffeine as coffee, but the theanine helps increase focus and activity. Make a dream board. Use a big poster board and decorate it with things that inspire you. This will keep a visual reminder to help you stay inspired of what your goals actually are. And stay motivated. Use the 70% rule. If 70% or more of a project can be done by somebody else, then outsource or delegate it. Clear your mind. Don't forget to check tasks off your to-do list. It will give you a sense of clearing out what you have to do. That feeling of accomplishment will help you clear your mind to begin the next task. Read every day. Studies show that reading just 6 minutes a day can decrease stress by 68%. People with less stress tend to get more things done. Hit pressure points. Everyone has pressure points. Use them. Hitting your pressure points tends to increase energy and mental awareness. Splash or spritz with cold water. A quick splash of cold water can help with an energy boost and improve circulation. Dress for success. Even if you're working from home, wear your work clothes. This signals your brain that it's time to get to work. Don't slouch. Studies show that sitting up straight can have a positive impact on your behavior. It also helps you take in more oxygen, which means more energy. Use the 20-20-20 rule. After 20 minutes of looking at your screen, look away. You want to look at something that's at least 20 feet away to give your eye muscles a break. Breathe fresh air. Fresh air is free. Get at least 2 minutes of fresh air each and every day. Take a stroll or a walk every morning outside. Fresh air is a great way to feel a bolt of energy. Do you smell? Schedule less time. Got a lot of important things to do? Schedule less time than needed. This might seem backwards or confusing, but scheduling less time will help you feel like you have to get it done faster. And most likely, you will. Create a mindless time list. Create a to-do list for your procrastination time. When you don't feel like doing anything, have a list of mindless things to do. Something that doesn't take a lot of creative thought. This can help you get things done even when your brain is too tired to get things done. Hydrate first. As soon as you wake up in the morning, drink at least 16 ounces of water, especially before you drink a cup of coffee. Your body's been working for hours while you slept. You're dehydrated. Turn down the temperature. Studies show that when you sleep at about 65 degrees, you get better sleep. So if it's cool, silent, and dark, your sleep quality is gonna go up and the productivity of the next day will go up. Crank it down. Put your screen to bed first. Stop looking at your phone before you go to bed. This can cause sleep deprivation. Stop looking at your phone for at least an hour before you go to bed. Not today, Satan. Practice gratitude. Remember to be thankful. As you're lying in bed, think of all the things you're thankful for. It's easy to think about all the things you didn't get done, but if you think about the things you did get done, you'll be more grateful, you'll have better energy, focus, and peace. Turn on airplane mode. Don't look at your phone from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. You don't need your phone while sleeping. If your phone's sitting there lighting up and doing all kinds of crazy stuff, especially when you get up in the middle of the night to pee, then you're gonna wanna look at it, and then you're and then you're not gonna be able to sleep, so turn it off, put it on airplane mode. Advise yourself. When you're stuck and don't know what to do, oftentimes you have the solution. Ask yourself, what should you do? If you pay attention, it's probably the best advice you could hear. Add some greenery. No, I'm not talking about weed, I'm talking about plants for your desk. Adding some fresh plants or greenery to your workspace can actually brighten your mood and productivity. Try standing. Nobody wants to stand all day, but try a standing desk so that for a portion of the day you can stand. It'll increase your productivity, studies say, by 46% and also help you burn more calories. Woo! 90 productivity tips in what I think was under 10 minutes. So listen, some parting words here. I want to encourage you not to take every single productivity tip, but just a few, and make some fundamental changes that will allow you to get more done. Because when you get more done, that's when you start accomplishing your goals. And I can tell you, when I focused more on productivity, I became happier, I became wealthier, and I got a lot more done. And that's why I'd like to help you even further by telling you about my Plan Tomorrow Daily Productivity Planner. This is a planner that was designed by me when I was building my companies, becoming an author, becoming a speaker, and trying to get so much done in such a short amount of time. I refined this planner over 2 years, and then I released it to the market. Actually, at the time of this video, it is launching soon, so you can check the link in the description to get this planner. When you get this planner, not only is it filled with amazing motivational quotes, productivity tips, it also comes with a totally free productivity class from moi that'll help you understand how to make fundamental life changes in order to be more productive. And you can always upgrade to our premium productivity training program, Legendary Productivity. Thank you so much for watching this video. Grab your Plan Tomorrow Daily Planner and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.